What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel. Today we're back on one of the least complicated builds we have going on here, and that's the 351 Cleveland. But before we get into that, I need you guys to do me a favor. I need you guys to click that like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. We have a giveaway going on right now, and if you're one of the first 500 subscribers to the channel, you'll be entered into win this 350 millimeter deep dish steering wheel from Energy Innovations. It's got the wiring for the horn already, and this could be yours, but you gotta subscribe to the channel. Now I don't know if this video is going to be released before or after we hit that 500 subscriber mark, but even if we've already hit 500 subscribers by the time this video releases, still click the subscribe button, because we'll be giving away another even bigger prize once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So again, make sure you subscribe to the channel now. Make sure you click the like button so that the video gets more exposure and these giveaways don't take as long. Also, tell your friends. Friends don't let friends miss out on free shit, okay? Alright. So, now that that's out of the way. So a while back, way before I started recording for YouTube, I installed a nice Comp Cam's 284 Extreme Energy camshaft. I told myself that I wasn't really gonna worry about degreeing the cam. Trust Comp Cams, they're a pretty reputable brand. I was like, I'll just line up the two dots, send it, should be good. So I had to send the heads back to the machine shop, and I thought, you know what? I've got the tools, I got the time. I might as well go ahead and take the extra, 20-30 minutes it takes to degree the cam, and here we are. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna go ahead and degree the cam, just make sure everything's set up. We will be using the centerline method. I know there's other ways to degree a cam, but this is the simplest way to do it. And yeah, if you guys haven't figured it out by now, I'm not really a mechanic, so simple is good for me. Before we get into all that, we have to take off this nice flow cooler water pump that I put on there prematurely.
I'm not really a mechanic, so
We'll back all this up. Hopefully we don't mess up the gasket. I'm not worried about the hardware. It's ARP hardware. Yeah, that's the only thing I can't. Two dots on the cam gear and the crank gear. Essentially there's just a dot on the cam gear, a dot on one of the teeth on the crank sprocket. You just line them up until they're facing each other, and then that's kind of a rough estimate for what TDC is. So next up, we're going to go to our deck bridge. We're going to rotate the cam gear, or I'm sorry, we're going to rotate the crank. We're watching our dial to see when it stops moving. You gotta be careful because this thing jumps around. Alright, I'm gonna set my 0 to that. Let's see, that was right at 100 degrees. So now I'm gonna rotate it the other way. So that was at 103. So we had 100, 103. So we'll take the difference, it's 102.5. So we're gonna put our pointer. All right. And now we'll rotate this wheel to where 0 is lined up there. And then we're gonna move this dial indicator over to our magnetic base, and we're gonna find our intake center line. Now for this, we're gonna use one of the push rods. I'm gonna use one of the new ones just because I have them. These are from Comp Cams. I try to keep everything in the valve train from the same manufacturer, with the exception of the valves, just because I couldn't do it. Alright, so now that we got that locked down, we're going to go ahead and reference our cam card. And intake center line should be at 106 degrees. So, alright, so intake should start opening at 100 or at 36 degrees before top dead center. So we got our TDC. to 30, divide that by 2, it's 115, which means we are about 9 degrees off. Oh, that's a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera off, see if I can't figure this out. Maybe I messed something up. I'll let you guys know what went wrong, if something went wrong, and I don't know. Who knows? Hopefully, it's just me being stupid.